is good, guys? This is Mr. Money Making Dario. So guys, today's topic is damn. Alright, so pretty much this video is gonna be about no GM mode in WWE 13. You know, my thoughts on it. Oh my god, I don't know. I was really hoping for, you know, GM mode in WWE 13, but you know, since there's not gonna be no GM mode, then I don't know. I'm afraid I can't do any. I'm afraid that, you know, we're not gonna be enjoying it like we all thought we were. But you know, hopefully, I got this information from Tubby Emu. Tubby. He's on vacation. He's on vacation right now in Florida, and he's sick. But yeah, yeah, that's pretty much it. No GM mode. I don't know if I'm gonna start doing the vlogs, or I don't know if I'm gonna start doing the vlogs or if not. So you know, I don't know. Honestly, don't know. But hopefully, I'll think about it. Maybe I'll start doing it again, but you know, none of y'all really wanna see me doing vlogs, telling you about me and that shit. So whatever. Y'all just here because I gotta do content, not about me. Just what I do. Fuck it. Right, so this is Mr. Money Making Dario. Peace.